There once was a Colorado caveman named Flint.
He was grumpier than a saber-toothed tiger with a toothache.
Keeping his cave comfortable was costing him a fortune.
Thankfully, Flint's special cave woman, Roxy, had a solution.
She called their friends at Rock Plumbing, Heating and Air.
Hi, it's Chris and Amy from Rock.
Roxy is one smart cave lady.
She knows that a heat pump from Rock is one of the best options for lowering energy expenses.
And now is the best time to upgrade to cleaner hybrid heat.
Rock,
Bringing comfort home.
and simplifying your life.